This is not just meat on fire. This is steak, one of the most iconic foods in the world. Simple in appearance, yet deeply connected to culture, craftsmanship, and cooking tradition. For centuries, humans have cooked meat over fire, but steak became something more. It became an experience. Across the world, different cultures developed their own relationship with steak. In the United States, steak became part of steakhouse culture. Large cuts, intense heat, bold flavor. In Argentina, steak became tradition. Cooked slowly over fire, shared among family and friends. Where grilling is more than cooking, it's connection. In Japan, steak evolved into precision. Wagyu beef, carefully raised, beautifully marbled, and cooked with extraordinary attention to detail. Here, every slice matters. But no matter where you are in the world, the foundation of great steak remains surprisingly simple. Salt, pepper, heat, that's it. Because cooking steak is not about complexity, it's about timing. The right pan, the right temperature, the perfect crust, and perhaps most importantly, patience. When steak hits the heat, something incredible happens. The surface caramelizes, creating deep flavor, rich aroma, and that unmistakable crust. Then comes the butter, garlic, rosemary, fresh herbs, slowly melting together, adding another layer of flavor and aroma. And finally, the moment everyone waits for, the cut. A perfectly cooked steak reveals more than color. It reveals technique. A crispy crust outside and a juicy center inside. That balance is what chefs spend years mastering. But steak is not just about flavor, it's also about atmosphere. The sound of sizzling, the warmth of fire, the smoke rising into the air. These things create emotion. Because steak is rarely rushed. It's meant to be enjoyed slowly, shared with people, experienced together. And despite changing food trends, steak remains timeless. Simple ingredients, fire, technique, patience, and an extraordinary result. World Flavors Hub. Subscribe and start your journey.